Civilization has ended and something else awakens in its place. From the world's decay, ancient creatures stir, rise, and roam the land. Vessels of Decay is a post-apocalypse action-adventure following the story of Freya and Mud. Explore the ruins of the civilization that they inhabit. Play Vessels of Decay on Steam. Fired and blackmailed by Chef Hamzy, you're a chef looking to find your next position. Unfortunately, the employees of any restaurant you walk into want you dead. Utilize a food theme upgrade tree that allows you to focus or balance your builds. And can you dodge the plates and sushi knives? Find out in Too Many Cooks on Steam. Engage in epic battles with 3 legendary ship manufacturers. Customize your ship's crew with over 50 members and each boasting your own ship's performance. Mix and match talents to create formidable teams. Play with more than 10 unique ships. You can play Cosmic Strike: The Last Sub-Sector on Steam. Dive deep into the neon-lit realms of Tomb of AnuBIOS. Your AnuBIOS, the AI guardian forged to protect the deity RAM from the relentless organics. Play Tomb of AnuBIOS on Steam today. Strange noises and weird activities have been detected underground, and you've been called in to help. Control a mining mech to dig deep into the earth and collect valuable resources. Each mech has its own benefits and will help you explore the depths even further. The deeper that you get, the tougher it will be. Play Mining Mechs on Steam today. SpaceDRG is a high-octane, motion sickness-inducing action game featuring cute pixel art graphics. Compete with friends for the top spot on the online leaderboards. Master the art of space navigation and collect power-ups to even odds. Play SpaceDRG on Steam today. Blood Running is a thrilling extraction shooter where you must scavenge a procedurally generated cyber-dystopian wasteland, collect blood, loot valuable gear, and adventure into the remnants of a world in ruins. Conquer the wastelands while forging alliances, facing relentless foes, and unearthing precious treasures. Play Blood Running on Steam.